If you've been thinking about and putting off getting dental work done, wait no longer. Advances in technology have completely changed how dental work is done, and few doctors in the entire country are as technologically advanced as the ones we're visiting today. Hi, I'm Janice Marie, and we're here today in Staten Island, visiting the office of the Huguenot Dental Center and South Shore Aesthetic and Implant Dentistry. This is one of the area's most respected dental practices, with a host of patients that have discovered that a healthy mouth and a great smile can not only change how you look, but it can improve your health and change your life. Let's take a look.
Dentistry is available for everybody today. People deserve to have a great smile. People deserve to be pain-free. People deserve to be able to chew, eat the foods they love. The reality of it is that 50% of your general population in this country, and you can imagine what it must be around the world, only see a dentist when they're in pain. So this 50% of the population that just gets patchwork dentistry, at some point it comes back to bite them. And the only way they can really turn that around and get back what they've lost is with very complex, intricate type of dentistry.
What is it that people have about going to the dentist? I mean, I know people who have not been to the dentist for years.
The most prevalent thing that I see that keeps people from going to the dentist is they've had a very bad experience when they were young. And that just somehow stays with them. They never get over it, and until they somehow find a dentist that listens to them and is able to hold them by the hand and get them through the first few visits, and then they realize it's not a big deal. And then they get comfortable, and then they can go on for the rest of their lives being healthy, happy, and smile.
I had just pretty much ignored my teeth for a long time. I do have a little bit of a fear of the dentist, like a lot of people. That's one of the reasons I put it off for so long. But I just decided, enough was enough. I had to do something. And, when you hear about what they're going to do, it can be very scary. I must say I really felt almost no pain through the entire procedure. I'm completely happy with what I had done.
I had 27 teeth removed in one afternoon. It took all afternoon. But I didn't remember a thing, and I didn't ever have any pain. So I have to say, don't be scared.
Because of the technology that we employ in this office, we take on cases that most other practices will not touch with a 10-foot pole, basically, because it's just too difficult for them to see to an end. Yes, of course, they could take somebody's teeth out, put a set of dentures in their mouth, and send them on their way, but we don't look at a patient that way. We try to return patients to the function that they had when they were young, younger.
I've had false teeth for quite a few years, and my gums started to shrink a little bit. So I went to Dr. Hecht, and he said, well, you know what? You need implants. That's the best thing for you right now. If you'd like to chew an apple or chew on some meat, and, it's getting a little hard to do these things in your old age. So I came, and he put them in, and I absolutely love them. I can eat almost anything I want to eat now, and it's very comfortable to eat. I have no problem eating. I eat everything. And I love Dr. Hecht. He did a very good job on it. And everybody in this office is absolutely wonderful. Very pleasant to come in here. It's always a pleasant experience. And I'm very happy I did it.
When people have implants and they're able to chew, they're able to socialize, they're able to be happy, they're able to spend time with their family, and they're able to go out to restaurants and eat without having fear of embarrassment of their teeth coming out. And that changes their whole outlook on life. We have had patients who literally, they told us once they were done with the whole treatment, that they can't believe what their life was like before and what their life is like now. It was a stark difference.
My front two teeth, they were basically sticking out, they were protruding, and I had no self-confidence when I smile, and I wanted to improve my smile, so therefore I came to Dr. Hecht, and he did a marvelous job. I feel great. I could smile, because normally, when I used to smile, I just put my hand over my face, or I wouldn't smile. I would just, and people would think that like I'm, I don't know, mad, but I'm not. I'm happy. And now, even more so, I can smile. And actually, I feel good. about smiling?
Everything they told me, they said that I wouldn't be in lots of pain, was true. And it was the greatest thing ever since I got those implants in. And it's like having your own teeth. And it's actually better than your own teeth. They're strong. And you chew an apple, anything. You know, it just, it's amazing. It really is amazing. And it's the first day the implants were put in, it was like having my own teeth back again. It was astounding. It really was.
I would say even in the most extensive treatment that we've offered, including implants and restoring implants, a lot of patients will actually realize that it wasn't such a long time to get to the finish. Well, and that's something Dr. Hecht does pride himself on, because he doesn't want anybody to have to sit for months and months and wait for months and months to get new appointments and start the next process. He'd rather get it all done today, tomorrow, the next day, next week, because it's better that the patient should smile faster, and it's better for us to go through with treatment for the patient's sake, because they don't want to drag out treatment so long.
We're one of the few offices in the tri-state area that have a CAT scan machine in an office that places the implants and restores the implants. There are no longer any barriers. If a patient needs something, they will get it here. Our patients feel trust here. They trust what's going on. They know that when we explain to them a treatment, that it's coming from our heart. We believe in the treatment. We wouldn't offer them a treatment if we wouldn't have it done on ourselves.
I feel when a patient comes in, I could have a patient that is like extremely nervous coming in. By the time we're done and they're finished with their treatments, they're like, oh my God, it was so like nothing like I thought it was going to be like. And they really feel comfortable. They feel like they came to the right place. And that's important to us, because they always say, they're like, you know what, I'm so happy I came, you know, so it's really nice when you hear that.
Everyone here treats you like family. They're professional. They go out of their way to accommodate your schedule, your needs. If you're nervous, believe me, don't be nervous, because this guy, Dr. Hecht, is just the nicest and gentlest man, and he takes all the time that you need. He reassures you there is no pain. I can't give him any more accolades. I love the man. I would recommend him to anyone.
I think what we do here is wonderful. I tell this to patients all the time, is that I would not do anything on you that I wouldn't do on my own family members. And that's the truth. It's just the way I feel. I think everybody deserves to be treated like family.
I came to Dr. Hecht 2 years ago because I have a teeth fetish, and I've always wanted to have beautiful teeth. So here I am, and I'm very happy. And everybody said to me, oh, you look different. Did you have a facelift? What did you do? But I never told them I had my teeth done.
You should be enjoying your life and enjoying your food. And all it takes is a phone call. Reporting from Staten Island, I'm Janice Marie.